Sa unang sulyap sa iyong mukha ay alam ko agad na kailangan ng pamagat ang gagawin nating kwento.
We were already married. We already had our civil wedding last July 15 last year. We're already together, we're staying already together.
Dahil kay Tonton, sabi niya, may pinsan daw siyang single. Tapos yun, na magic na. Automatic.
Friends, it has been 6 months since we were legally married. When we made our first vows. And today, we are here again to continue our love, now fully constructed to God's grace.
Hindi magkukulang ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Sana'y ikaw at
Nita kayo!
sa dulo
Tapos
ng
pwesto.
pahina ng aking libro. Kasama kang
It just came out of the blue nung nandun kami sa bahay. Sabi nila, mag-settle na daw ako.
4 to 5 months. We prepared for this for 4 to 5 months around that time. It wasn't really stressful. It was hectic, but everything went smooth.
Hanggang sa pagtanda aalalay sa'yo, magtiwala ka lang, mahal ko.
I want everyone to know here how patient and loving you are, especially with their differences. These differences, like pieces of a puzzle, somehow make everything more complete.
Megan, my wife, I vow to love you every day throughout my lifetime. Although there will be times it's going to be hard between us.
Napapatanong na ako kung totoo bang lahat ng ito. Di lang mapaniwalang pinili ako na
The husband provides leadership to his wife the way Christ does to his church. Not by domineering, but by cherishing. So just as the church submits to Christ as he exercises such leadership, wives should likewise submit to their husbands.
Ikaw at ako sa dulo ng pahina ng
Awan ti sa nga makadescribe jay panagayat yung matkanyakan nagasadaklan na I think the Almighty nga da kayo latati naging parentes ko.
Mapapangako sa'yo, walang hanggang pagmamahal ibibigay ko. Hanggang sa pagtanda aalalay sa'yo, magtiwala ka lang, mahal ko. Kahit tagal hinintay ang araw na to na makita kang naglalakad at patungo ng altar. Dala ang ating pangako na tayo hanggang dulo.
3 days after lang din, nag-propose na ako and she said, yes. May civil wedding kami. And then, civil wedding, parang 2 weeks after nung ako nag-propose. And then yun na. Tapos eto na, plan for this celebration.
Mapapangako sa'yo, walang hanggang pagmamahal ibibigay ko. Hanggang sa pagtanda aalalay sa'yo, marinig ko lang sagot mong oo.
But along the way kasi we experienced a loss, gano'n. Parang may napagdaanan kami, which is unexpected, which makes this day more meaningful actually. Nagka-cry na si bakla.
Dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold. Sleep with me here in the silence.
In the past few months, we have experienced both joy and loss.
You say that
But just like this moment, I know everything happens according to God's plan. His timing is always perfect. I'd answered prayer.
We're just really waiting for this kasi parang it's more meaningful. Kasi yung ano na siya, parang we're doing this with God's grace already. It's the blessing of our marriage.
that you are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only
I vow that I will be faithful to you and will be a good provider.
yeah, you.
And as always and forever and always will be, next to the Almighty, I am yours and forever yours.
Forever's not enough time to love you the way that
I promise to support you, to be more patient with you.
every morning.
I know you're a very busy man, and because of that, I will always be by your side. Every day, I will be praying for us, for you, especially for your health. I will be your wife through your hectic days, through every success, and most especially through the trials of life. Life is a roller coaster, but my love for you will always be firm. I love you.
That you are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only thing I've ever done.
Maan pa. Ever since I was a kid, you have always supported me. You have never doubted me. Every dampa, every success. This moment is so wonderful. It's so perfect. And I'm glad I listened to you growing up. The family that you've shown me growing up, because it was so beautiful. Thank you so much for loving and taking care of me always.
Are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only good I've ever done. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. You are the only one I'll ever love.
Let me end this vow through the lyrics of the song.
If it's
Sa huli,
not anyone.
palagi.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa'yo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. At ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman
Palagi.
iyo.
Ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman. I love you, Megan.